Should kids get checked by a chiropractor? I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I've been working with people around the country to help them to remove the blockages from their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs or surgery. Now, this is a question that I get asked often, and the real answer is yes, they should. Simple, right? Now let's go into some of the details as to why. Okay, so what does a chiropractor do? That's maybe the first thing we should answer. Now, for many of you will say, oh, they take care of neck pain or lower back pain, and that's true. We do great work with them, just as dentists do great work with tooth pain. However, what we've learned from dentistry is that you should wind up having your teeth checked well before a cavity takes place, because when a dentist examines your teeth, they can find a cavity years before it happens and take care of it. Well, the same thing goes for spinal breakdown and degeneration. Years before you wind up getting into pain, a chiropractor can detect the shifts that happen within your spine. Now, these shifts we call subluxations, where the spinal segments move out of place due to stresses, physical, chemical, or emotional, that wind up robbing the energy that the body has to heal, rejuvenate, and thrive. When we find these misalignments early on, they're a lot easier to care for. There's less arthritis that's developed, and people wind up thriving and living better. So just like our grandparents 50 or 60 years ago didn't go to the dentist until their teeth hurt, and now my kids went to the dentist at 3 years old, even though they were going to lose all those teeth that were in their mouth. I think that kids should be checked as soon as they can, because their spine is something that they're going to have for the rest of their lives. And at current state, there aren't spinal replacement therapy. You can't have a vertebrae replaced, and nor would we want to. So we've got to be sure that we start taking care of it as young as we can, not looking at it for a disease, looking at it for as it shifts out of place or dis-ease, challenging the way that someone lives. If you or someone you know needs to hear this, pass this video along. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating content like this to help you live a life of optimal health and well-being. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.